Hello my friend, today I will show you how to set up or run Facebook or Instagram ad. So first you have to create a business manager account and ad account. Then after creating ad account, we will run ads from this ad account. So this is my ad account. So I'll create the campaign. So create. So basically I'll create engagement ads. So I'll create engagement ad. Then uh, I can keep a campaign name here. So I will create a driving license campaign. So I will bring the name from my client story, or I will keep this name later. I will continue it. It's just optional, so that's why I continue it. So this is the campaign name. I will keep a campaign name here. So it's a driving license campaign. So I already created another ad, that's why I keep the driving license to campaign. Then I'll select the category. So it's a credit card, employment, housing category. I'll not set any category now. Then action. Okay. Action button. Action. Okay. Engagement. Yeah. Engagement. Okay. Then then campaign sending limit. Campaign sending limit optional. No, not test no. Add campaign budget. आपका जो budget है उसको आप your ad cannot run because you reached 35. Maybe it's a test purpose, so that's why I keep only $5, 5 AED, okay, per day, and highest volume, yeah, highest volume, bid cap, cost per goal, get the most result of your budget. Okay. So I have to check it again. Now campaign relax now, and then height test daily budget. Okay, daily budget 10. Okay, it's verifying your editing. Then I'll click the red and next, and it will verify it. So daily budget होगा lifetime budget. Okay, lifetime budget 25 AED. It's a test purpose. Okay, then it's verifying. So verifying complete, then I will click next. Okay, then next I'll keep the name again. And the most important part is why you divert your audience. So I'll bring my audience in my WhatsApp. So I'll click the WhatsApp. Okay. So okay, then maximum number of conversation. Okay, other goals. Maximum conversation. Okay, then No, I'll not create it. Uh, First per goal, okay. One more. Creation 7-day click, okay. And then dynamic creative. Okay, then add budget maybe 20 से run होगा. Ending date ending date 29, okay. Ending date, show more option, okay. Then United सिटी जो है no global, then include Dubai, DUBAI. Okay, I'll search, browse, click browse, and then under Asia, it's United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, not Europe, Asia, under the Asia. Arab Emirates. Okay, then I exclude the area. Okay. Delete. तो मैंने दुबई सिलेक्ट तो I select Dubai and then I will continue with recommended audience. Okay, suggestion, see more option, minimum is 18 plus, language Dubai code. Then I will click the manual placement manual, so I will click the manual placement, so we will show this ad only in Instagram and the Facebook. Okay, then I'll check again audience suggestion option on ad only. Okay, I'll click here, gender only male. Okay, and string, no problem. Try to maybe 60. email, and then placement or divide recommended mobile desktop both. Okay, both. Then messenger, then where you place Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Facebook video feed, Facebook marketplace now, right column, yes. Okay, then Instagram story, Facebook, Instagram, Facebook page. Okay, and stream live ads now, Facebook search result. Okay, okay, Instagram apps site. Okay. So that's it. Then it's verify it, and you can see this show more option, early device, only when connected with the, no, everything is okay. Then next, okay, Instagram, your ad not run in Instagram because YouTube Instagram does not have a profile photo. So if I don't have any profile photo, so I have to remove this Instagram ad. So I'm going back. Okay, here. Uh, call. Facebook page. So personal page. Yes. Yeah. Call driving license. Okay. Right budget. Okay. Done. Okay. Placements. So I'm reviewing this Instagram. Okay. Then I will review this ad again. Okay, then I will review from this step. Actually ads have 3 steps. Okay, driving license, action plus engagement. Okay, show more, ad campaign limit set. Okay, $5 daily highest. Okay, the next, driving license, call, get people to call your business. Okay, page, I selected this page, then I selected time, audience, location, United and I will see this location more times. Here, okay, it's fine. 50, 60 interview. Switch to original audience options. Placement in Instagram and Facebook Marketplace. Okay. Why it not showing Facebook Reels? Right. Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Reels. I will see. This Facebook Reels. Okay, modern science favorite. The next. Then add name, right? then I select this page and single image or video, format single image or video, and create, add multimedia video, format. Okay, then this add media, add a video, video from account video, page video, this one, okay, this one is good. Text description, but I change the number. Wait, I'll put the number here. Wait. So I upload a video and then I upload text, headline, your driving license, optional, call action optional, it's optional, so just destination here, then country code with a phone number, United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. Okay, then I will put a phone number here, then and this is the system to creating an ad. If I publish it, then it will go to under review and it will publish after a few hours later. And I hope you understand. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I will reply, or if you want to contact with me, just go in my video description box, you will get my contact information there. Thank you, and one more time, please subscribe my channel and also please follow my Facebook page. Thank you.